Welcome to our presentation of the project. Software for Corporate Carbon and Financial Accounting. In an era where corporate transparency and environmental accountability are more important than ever, our project bridges the gap between financial accounting and carbon reporting. We developed an intuitive, web-based educational platform that requires no additional software installation and runs seamlessly on any student device. The platform offers an interactive learning environment where users can explore financial transactions and carbon emissions side by side. The result is an innovative tool that not only makes economic processes tangible but also raises awareness for sustainable business practices, accessible, engaging, and built for the next generation of responsible decision makers. The platform provides 4 distinct modules. First, the basic module introduces users to fundamental financial and carbon accounting practices. It presents pre-filled balance sheets where students can individually add their transactions to understand the basic mechanics of accounting clearly and practically. Second, the supply chain module demonstrates interactions across a predefined network of 5 interconnected companies. Through 500 detailed transactions, students can vividly trace financial flows and associated carbon emissions, offering clear insights into real-world supply chain complexities, including Scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions. Third, our personalized module empowers users to create their own company scenarios from scratch. Here, students can add multiple companies, define their unique accounts, and manage linked or standalone transactions, all securely saved in an SQL database. This module promotes hands-on learning by replicating realistic corporate scenarios and ensuring consistency through rigorous built-in validation checks. Lastly, the student game provides an interactive, risk-free space for testing and refining one's skills in financial and carbon accounting. It features predefined transaction descriptions where students input their values, immediately verifying correctness and solidifying their knowledge. Through these carefully designed modules, our platform not only simplifies complex accounting processes but also highlights the critical relationship between corporate finances and environmental impact. By integrating carbon accounting with traditional financial practices, our tool is perfectly suited for interactive classroom teaching and independent student exploration, laying the groundwork for responsible future business leaders.